Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI and space exploration. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming our missions to Mars and beyond? From autonomous rovers that navigate the Martian surface to AI systems that analyze vast amounts of data, AI is truly the unsung hero of modern space exploration. In this video, we'll uncover the incredible ways AI is powering our journey to the Red Planet and revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. So buckle up and get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure. Space exploration is undergoing a revolution thanks to artificial intelligence AI, which is making it possible to conduct missions that would have been unachievable using conventional methods. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in overcoming the problems that are given by the harsh environment of Mars, the enormous distance from Earth, and the complexity of the tasks that are required for scientific discovery and eventual human settlement. As we keep our sights fixed on Mars, this is becoming increasingly important. The role of autonomy in the navigation and operations of spacecraft. Artificial intelligence is essential for enabling spacecraft to operate autonomously, particularly in light of the fact that the communication delay between Earth and Mars can range anywhere from 4 to 24 minutes in either direction. Because of this delay, it is not possible to exercise real-time control from Earth. Therefore, spacecraft must be able to carry out certain activities without the need for direct interaction from humans. Mars rovers. Artificial intelligence algorithms are used by NASA's Mars rovers, such as Curiosity and the more recent Perseverance, to enable autonomous navigation across the challenging topographical conditions of Mars. These rovers are able to construct three-dimensional maps, recognize obstacles, and calculate safe courses without having to wait for instructions from mission control. They do this by utilizing onboard sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence-powered systems such as AutoNav. Spacecraft. Artificial intelligence is also helping to improve the effectiveness of spacecraft, such as the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO. Artificial intelligence is used by these spacecraft to make autonomous decisions on which regions of Mars to image or scan. These decisions are prioritized based on the scientific significance of the regions, the changing environmental conditions, and the possibility for new discoveries. Data processing and analysis powered by artificial brains. When it comes to processing and analyzing the massive volumes of data that are generated by space missions, artificial intelligence is very necessary in order to come up with discoveries and propel scientific advancement. Identifying the geology of Mars rovers are outfitted with sophisticated imaging systems, but manually analyzing the vast amount of geological and atmospheric data is a time-consuming process. At this time, artificial intelligence models are being utilized to analyze rock samples, recognize minerals, and discover traces of water activity in the past. The team from the Mars Science Laboratory, MSL, employs artificial intelligence to determine which rocks and soils have the most potential for further investigation. Identifying signs of life. One of the key objectives of trips to Mars is to ascertain whether or not there was ever life on the planet. Artificial intelligence assists in the process of sifting through chemical and biological data in order to identify biosignatures, which are molecular remnants that may indicate the presence of life in the past or in the present. Predictions of the weather. Artificial intelligence-powered models analyze atmospheric data to make predictions about the weather patterns on Mars, which is essential for the survival of future human missions and equipment. For example, artificial intelligence can assist in the forecasting of dust storms that may have an impact on solar-powered rovers or human homes. Artificial intelligence for autonomous robots and human exploration. It is anticipated that artificial intelligence will play a significant part in the mission to send humans to Mars by assisting astronauts with difficult tasks and assuring their safety. Robotic assistance. Artificial intelligence-propelled robots, such as NASA's Robonaut or future models, have the potential to assist astronauts with mundane maintenance jobs, repairs to equipment, or scientific studies. Humans would be less likely to be exposed to potentially harmful situations such as high radiation zones or extreme temperatures if these robots driven by artificial intelligence were to work in hazardous environments. Monitoring of health. Artificial intelligence technologies are now being developed to monitor the health of astronauts in real time. Artificial intelligence has the ability to identify indicators of exhaustion, dehydration, or disease by analyzing data from sensors that are linked to the body. This enables early intervention in the event of a medical emergency. For missions that last for an extended period of time and have restricted access to medical professionals, this technology will be absolutely necessary. Life support systems. Artificial intelligence has the ability to optimize life support systems in habitats and spacecraft, ensuring that oxygen, water, and food supplies are controlled and regenerated while maximizing efficiency. An example of this would be how artificial intelligence can modify the amount of energy used in life support systems based on activity levels, changes in the environment, or unexpected situations, so improving the overall sustainability of the mission. Spacecraft design and optimization led by artificial intelligence. Designing spacecraft and habitats that are intelligent, adaptable, and capable of self-repairing or optimizing themselves is also essential to the future of Mars exploration. Using AI, engineers are able to optimize these designs from the very beginning of the planning process. In the process of designing for efficiency, artificial intelligence algorithms are utilized to model and simulate the performance of spacecraft in the harsh environments of Mars and space. Because of this, engineers are able to test a variety of materials, structures, and systems prior to construction, which helps them achieve the optimal balance between strength, weight, and efficiency. Systems that can repair themselves, artificial intelligence could make it possible for spaceships or habitats on Mars to identify damage and begin repairs on their own. By way of illustration, artificial intelligence-driven systems have the capability to detect stress fractures in the structure of a spacecraft or a break in the air supply system of a habitat, and then deploy robotic arms or drones to repair the problem. The role of artificial intelligence in Mars sample return and future missions. In the future, artificial intelligence will play a significant role in the return of samples to Mars, as well as in more advanced exploration endeavors. During the sample return missions, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, and the European Space Agency, ESA, want to retrieve rock samples that were obtained by the Perseverance rover and bring them back to Earth. Artificial intelligence will play a significant part in the gathering, management, and packaging of these samples, which will ensure that they are transported without risk. Additionally, it will be responsible for managing the intricate procedures that are involved in the launch and retrieval of the sample return capsule from the surface of Mars. In the not-too-distant future, artificial intelligence might be able to assist in the process of terraforming Mars, which is the process of altering the environment of the planet in order to make it more acceptable for human habitation. The employment of artificial intelligence models could be utilized to mimic the effects of various tactics, such as the deployment of machines that produce greenhouse gases in order to warm the globe, or the utilization of drones controlled by AI in order to distribute essential resources, such as water and nutrients, for agricultural purposes. The prospects for artificial intelligence in the field of space exploration. Not only is artificial intelligence a tool for making Mars expeditions more efficient, but it is also essential to the success of these missions. Our mission to study the Red Planet is being powered by artificial intelligence, which includes the ability to enable autonomous navigation, the processing of large volumes of scientific data, the assistance of astronauts, and the guarantee of the safety of human missions. As artificial intelligence technologies continue to progress, they will make new opportunities for space exploration available. These opportunities will assist humanity in pushing the limits of what is feasible in the search for life and the ultimate colonization of Mars. And that's a wrap on today's journey through the cosmos. We've explored how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing space exploration, from autonomous rovers navigating the Martian terrain to AI-driven data analysis uncovering the secrets of the Red Planet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest adventures in space. Got any questions or thoughts about AI in space? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.